Hello student, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani. This is the video number 45 and in this video I will be explain textual exercise question number 8 of chapter number 1st. Determine the molecular formula of an oxide of iron in which the mass percent of iron and oxygen are 69.9 and 30.1 respectively. So see, determine the molecular formula, that is means we have to find formula. Okay, so given iron and then oxygen mass. Okay, so mass percentage of iron given 69.9% and oxygen given 30.1%. So first we have to find number of moles. A number of moles denoted by small n, and its formula is small n is equal to small m upon capital M. So first we have to find for iron. So iron given mass is 69.9 and molecular mass of the iron 55.85. So atomic mass, that is means because atom. So we have to say because single atom, but we have to also say molecular mass. It's so 69.9 divided by 55.85. So calculate, so 1.25. So similar as if we have to find number of moles for oxygen. So given mass 31.1 and divide by 16 its mass, molecular mass. So calculate, so 1.88. So ratio of the iron and the oxygen mass 1.25 ratio 1.88. So lowest number we have to divide. So 1.25 lowest both in both. So 1.25 divide 1.25, 1.88 divide by 2.25. So 1 ratio 1.5. Double ratio, so 2 ratio 1.5 double 3. So empirical formula for oxides: iron 2, so Fe2, and then oxygen 3, so Fe2O3. That is a formula. It is a empirical formula. So first we have to check it is correct or not. So this is a empirical formula, so we have to calculate. So empirical formula mass of the Fe2O3, 2 into Fe mass is 55.85 plus 3 into oxygen 16, so 159.69 gram. So number of the moles, molar mass divide empirical formula mass. So molar mass of the ferric oxide 159.69, it is calculated. Okay, and then it is also calculated by total empirical formula 159.7. Okay, so divide 0.999 approximately 1, so it is equal, so approximately 1. So empirical formula of the given oxide is Fe2O3 and N is 1, so that is the molecular formula of the oxide Fe2O3. Then next question number 9th. Calculate the atomic mass of the chlorine using the following. Okay, so 35 Cl and 37 Cl, it is a isotopes of the chlorine. Okay, present in natural evidence, present in the nature, this is the occurrence in the nature, and then molar mass is given. 35 Cl molar mass given and 37 Cl mass given. So we have to find atomic mass average of the chlorine. Here you see average atomic mass of the chlorine. So first we have to write 35 chlorine, then after we have to write 37 chlorine. So for abundance given 75.7 natural abundance, multiply its atomic molar mass given 34.9689 divide by 100 plus 437 24.23, it is a abundance, natural abundance and percentage weight, so divide 100, multiply, and its molecular mass given 36.96. Okay, so it is calculate, so 35.4527 mu comes. It is a average atomic mass of the chlorine. Got it? Question number 10th. In 3 moles of the ethane, calculate the following. 3 moles, that is means moles indicate by capital N and 3. So 3 moles are of ethane given. So first we have to find number of moles of the carbon atom. Okay, so 3 moles of the ethane C2H6 contain how many carbons here? 2. So 2 moles of the carbon. Okay, so that is means 2 moles, number of moles of the carbon atom in 3 mole of the C2H6. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay, similar question number second, number of moles of the hydrogen atom. So we have to already know in formula C2H6. So 1 mole of C2H6 contain how many carbon hydrogen? 6. 6 mole of hydrogen. So number of hydrogen atom 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Clear? Then question number third, number of molecules of the ethane. That is how many ethane. So see, 1 mole of C2H6 contain, Avogadro number equal, 1 mole of the C2H6 contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecule of ethane. So number of molecules in 3 moles, so 3 multiply Avogadro number. So this value come 18.069 into 10 to the power 23. Question number 11. What is the concentration of the sugar in mole per liter if its 20 gram are dissolved in enough water to make a final volume up to 2 liter? What is the concentration of the sugar C12H22O11 in mole per liter? Okay, and 20 gram small m are given. So enough water to make a final volume up to 2 liter. So that is means volume given and mass given. So according to the mass upon volume, molarity we have to find. So molarity formula is molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. So number of moles is equal to small n is equal to small m upon capital N, yani that is means given mass divided by molecular mass, and molecular mass of the glucose sucrose C12H22O11. So carbon 12 multiply 12 plus hydrogen 1 into 22 plus oxygen 11 given into 16 its atomic mass. So calculate 342 gram. It is a molar mass. Okay, given mass is 20 gram. So 20 gram divided by 342 and then volume given 2 liter. So calculate, so 0.02925 mole per liter. Okay, 0.02925 mole per liter. Then question number 12. If the density of the methanol is 0.79 kg per liter, density that is means D given, what is its volume needed for making 2.5 liter of its 0.25 m solution? Here you see V given and molarity given capital M and density also given D. So find the volume. So 2 volume, 1 volume given and 1 second volume is find. So that is means according to the formula M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. But second M we have to find by density. Okay, so see, methane, first molecular mass of the methane CS3OH. So 1 into 12 plus hydrogen 1 into 4 plus oxygen 1 into 16. So 32 gram per mole, and convert into the kilogram because we have to use formula molarity. So 1000 divide, so 0.032 kilogram per mole. Molarity is equal to D upon M and density formula is equal to M upon V. So first molarity density given and molar mass we have to find. So 0.793 density given divided by molecular mass is 0.032. So its molarity come capital M. Okay, so according to the formula M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2, 2 volume and 2 molarity. So M1 1 volume we have to find, M1 capital M we have to find 24.78, V1 we have to find, and then M2 2.5 liter given and moles also volume given 0.25. So V1 is equal to this value this divide by this 24.78, so 0.0252 liter comes, and then convert into the ml, so divide by multiply by 1000. Okay, so V1 is equal to 25.22 ml come. Question number 13. Pressure is determined as force per unit area of the surface, and the SI unit of the pressure Pascal is as shown given. So this is question is very please completely properly read. Pressure is determined. What is the pressure? Pressure is determined as the force per unit area of the surface. Force per unit area. That is means capital F divided by A. Okay, and SI unit of the pressure 1 Pascal is equal to, pressure unit is 1 Pascal, and 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton meter inverse 2. Okay, so mass of the air at sea level is 1034 gram per centimeter cube. So calculate the pressure in Pascal. Okay, so first here you see P is equal to F upon A, because definition given, pressure is determined as force per unit area. Okay, so force is given 1034 gram. Okay, and in the force per unit area of the surface, so 9.8. okay, divide by centimeter square, so meter convert into centimeter, kilogram convert into the gram, so it divide by 1000, and then centimeter given convert into the meter, so multiply 100. Okay, so this is the value comes whenever multiply and divide by 1000. Okay, 1034 multiply 9.8, multiply 100 divide by 1000, so 1.01332 into 10 to the power 5 kilogram meter inverse second inverse. But we have to already know, because in question given 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton meter inverse 2, and we have to already know 1 Pascal is equal to 1 kilogram meter inverse second inverse. Okay, so in question 1 Pascal 1 Newton meter inverse square, and 1 Newton is equal to 1 kilogram meter second inverse. So both value unit is equal, so 1 kilogram meter inverse 2 minus 1 meter inverse 2 and power 1, so minus 2 by 1 minus 1. Okay, clear? So 1 kg meter inverse second inverse, so that is means equal to 1 Newton and 1 Pascal, so pressure is equal to 1.01332 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal, because this unit is equal to 1 Pascal. Question number 14. What is the SI unit of mass and how is it defined? So SI unit of mass is kilogram, and then 1 kilogram is defined as the mass equal to the mass of the international prototype of kilogram. Okay, 1 kilogram defined as the mass equal to the mass of the international prototype of the kilogram. That is means in international system given the mass, so it is equal, so that is means it is a kilogram. Okay, and all defines of the units in your textbook in table 15.3. okay, then question number 15. Match the following prefix with their multiples. So prefix given micro, deca, mega, giga, femto, and multiples given. So micro, that is means 10 to the power minus 6, deca, that is means 10, mega, that is means 10 to the power 6, giga, that is means 10 to the power 9, and femto, that is means 10 to the power minus 15. Then question number 16. What do you mean by significant figures? Okay, so significant figures are those meaningful digits that are known with certainty. Okay, significant figures are those meaningful digits that are known with certainty. They indicate uncertainty and experimental or calculated value. Uncertainty in an experiment or calculate value, like example 15.6 ml is the result. So 15 confirmed, so that is means certain, but 6 is uncertain. Okay, but total number of the significant number, certain and uncertain both combined, so 1 2 3, so that is means total number of significant figures are 3. So definition of the significant figure, the total number of digit in a number including the last digit that represent the uncertainty of the result. That is certain and uncertain both the numbers included in significant figures. Question number 17. A sample of drinking water was found to be severely contaminated with chloroform CHCl3, supposed to be carcinogenic in nature, so the level of the contamination was 15 ppm by mass. Chloroform sample of the drinking water was found to be severely contaminated with chloroform CHCl3, supposed to be carcinogenic in nature. So level of the contamination was 15 ppm by mass. So first is express this in percent by mass. So 1 ppm is equivalent to 1 part of the 1 million, that is means 10 raised to power 6 part. So mass percent of the 50 ppm given, level of the contamination given 15 ppm. So mass percentage of the ppm chloroform in water, so 1 ppm is equal to 1 million, 10 raised to power 6 part. So 15 divided by 10 raised to power 6 and percentage, so multiply 100. So 1.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 approximately percentage comes. Okay, so this is percent by mass. Question number 2 of 17. Determine the molality of the chloroform in the water sample. Molality of the chloroform. Okay, so 100 gram of sample contains molality, that is means capital M, small m. Okay, and according to the molar mass, so 100 gram of sample contain 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 gram of chloroform. This is the percent by mass, 100 gram in. Okay, so 1000 gram in sample, so 10 cancel by, so 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 gram of chloroform. So molality of the chloroform in water, 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by molar mass of the chloroform, and molar mass of the chloroform, carbon 12 multiply 1, hydrogen 1 plus, and chlorine 35.5 multiply 3, so 119.5 gram per mole. This is the molar mass. So this value, mass percentage divided by molar mass, so this is value come 0.0125 into 10 to the power minus 2 molality. Okay, so but decimal after 0, so point convert forward to the after 1, so right side, so value negative value increase, so 1.25 into 10 to the power minus 4 molality. Then question number 18. Express the following in the scientific notation. And scientific notation, that is means we have to indicate this way, like first example 0.0048. So decimal going to the right side. So how many digits? 1 and 2 and 3. After 3 digit decimal go. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so towards after 3 digits, so that is means 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, and 4.8. So this is the scientific notation. Then second one, 234,000. it is not decimal here, comma. Okay, so decimal come left hand side. Okay, so 2.34, and how many digit here? Here you see 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 digit before, so 10 is to power 5. When decimal to set the left hand side, so that is means positive value count, and then decimal value towards set in the left right hand side, so minus value, negative value increase. Okay, so left hand side going, so 10 to power 5. Then question number 3, 8008. Okay, so back side left hand side, so 1 2 3 digit before. Okay, so 10 to power 3, so 8.008. Then 500.0, so decimal set 1 and 2 after 2, so 5.000 into 10 to power 2. This decimal correct 6.0012, so it is correct. Scientific notation is correct. Okay, question number 19, how many significant figures are present in the following? So here you see 0.0025, so only for 25, because after decimal 0 comes, so it is not count. Between the non-digit 0 comes, so it is count. Okay, but this is before that non-digit 0, non-digit value, so only for 2 and 5, so 2. Then 208, so between the non-digit 0 value, so count, so 1 2 3 significant figure. This is the between, so 0 between, so count 1 2 3 4, so 4 significant figure. Then significant figure 126, 000, so only for 126 non-digit, so 1 2 3. Then 500.0, so this value, see, after decimal this 0 count 1 2 3 and 4. Then 2.0034, so the 0 between the value, so 1 2 3 4 5 total, 5 significant number. Okay, question number 20, round up the following up to 3 significant figures. So 34.216, so here you see more than 5, so 1 increase left hand side. Here you see 6. Okay, here you 6, so 1 increase, that is means 2. Okay, so but here less than 5, so it is not necessary we have to write 16, only for we have to write 34.2. Then next 10.4107. Okay, this is 7, it is increase 1, but here 1 only, so less than 5, so only for write 10.4. Then question number 3, 0.04597. Here you see greater more than 5, so 1 increase, so 9, 1 increase, so 10, so 0. Then again this is more than 5, so again 1 increase, so 5 convert into the 6. Okay, so 0.0460. Okay, then 2808, so here 8 more than 5, so 1 increase here, so 0 1 increase, so here 0. Then so 2808, so here 8 more than 5, so 1 increase, so here 1. Okay, so more than 5. Okay, so here 1. Clear? So 1, so 281, and it is 0 convert, so 2810, because 1 increase, so here 10. Okay, so 2810. So this is type of round up the significant figure, and here also written only 3 significant figure. Okay, so only for you see third number, right? Next question I will be explained in next video. Thank you so much.